Hi and welcome back. I wanted to make a small video about Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up. It's on May 9th. If there is anybody that deserves your time, money and energy, that's your mom. The pandemic has been very hard on women. It's been hard on everyone, but especially on women because they are working, managing home, managing kids, and it's taking a toll on them. So they definitely need our appreciation and attention. So I wanted to share 10 different ideas to show appreciation to the mom in your life. So the number 10 idea is to take her out for brunch. So Mother's Day is on a Sunday, and these days all the restaurants are super busy. So I would highly recommend making a reservation at least a week ahead. If your mom is into American food, you can definitely try Kirby Lane Cafe or IHOP. I love the pancakes that they have. My number 9 gift idea is smart kitchen gadgets. Something like an Instant Pot, an air fryer or a blender. There are so many smart kitchen gadgets out there. So if your mom loves to cook, it'll be great help to have a smart kitchen gadget at home. So for example, an Instant Pot, it's a one-pot dish. Everything can be made in a single pot. It cuts down the cooking time. It cuts down the cleaning time. There is a whole community out there, thousands of recipes in any cuisine, videos, YouTube channels, and it'll be fun to try out an Instant Pot. The other one is an air fryer. These days, all of us are choosing to have a healthy dish, trying to go for more healthy choices, and I think air fryer cuts down on the oil, cuts down your oven usage, your oven cleaning, and even for air fryer there is a huge community, lot of recipes as well. So it'll be a great help, fun to explore these gadgets. And my number 8 idea is small and cute jewelry. I know it's very hard to choose jewelry for your mom or to anybody because it's a personal choice and personal taste, but there are great websites out there. I personally love Etsy.com. They have very personalized gifts, handmade, local. So please explore Etsy and you will get a lot of ideas on simple cute jewelry. But the only caveat with Etsy is since they are personalized, they take time. They need at least a week time to ship. So please plan accordingly. Number 7 is personalized homemade greeting cards. These are very easy to make. You can also help your kids make these. All you need is white paper, scissors, glue and a pen to write a lovely message. A few ideas is to take pictures, cut them into heart shapes, put them in a collage, stick them on top of the first page, and then inside you could write a heartfelt message about how you're thankful, how appreciative you are of the hard work that your mom puts in. Few simple words go a long way, and moms love these kind of gifts. So please do give it a try. And the number 6 is a gift card for a spa day or a manicure, pedicure or a massage. You can try websites like Groupon or Google search for spas near your area. They have good services and this will help relax your mom. Generally, the moms are really very stressed out about the home, about kids and about everybody around them. And this will give them a chance to relax and de-stress. So it's a worthwhile gift. Do try it out. Another great personal gift are flowers. Find out what your mom's favorite flowers are. Try to buy them ahead and put them in your fridge and surprise her in the morning with a fresh bouquet of flowers, and she would love it. These days even Amazon delivers flowers, so you can place an order. Check with your local florist and see if they deliver, but they are a bit expensive, and especially on the special days they are fully booked. So please plan ahead. Another wonderful gift for Mother's Day are books and book readers. So when people say books, it need not be educational. It can be just a fun read, something that you can quickly read and forget all your stress and escape for a little while and enjoy reading. So try to find out what her favorite genre is and get a top-selling book. So if your mom is someone who enjoys lightweight and want to carry all her books at the same time. An e-reader, iPad or iPad mini would be a great gift. This helps her read more books and have all the collection available to her at any point of time. If you can get an Audible subscription in which the stories are read out by a guest speaker, she can listen to them while she is doing her chores or going out for a walk, even relaxing. She could just listen to the books. So another great idea is chocolates and baked goods. But make sure your mom likes chocolates. There are different types of chocolates: dark chocolate, white chocolate. There are nuts in it. Make sure she's not allergic to nuts. So you may want to customize and get the chocolates that she would really enjoy. So I highly recommend Ferrero Rocher, Toblerone, or any Hershey's product. You can't really go wrong with them. So do try them out. So another idea for baked goods is donuts. Here in Texas, we do have a wide range and variety of donuts, just not Krispy Kreme and Dunkin' Donuts. We do have local donut stores that are really famous and make amazing donuts with different shapes, different tastes. The place where I live in has Round Rock Donuts, Lola's, and Voodoo Donuts. They are amazing. So do Google for local donut stores and you will find a wide range, and do try them out. So my number 2 idea is photos and photo frames. So we used to take photos and find good photo frames and put it in there. I gave it to my mom. You can try something like that. But these days we do have electronic photo frames where it takes a small SD card or a memory card. So you could put all her favorite pictures, your favorite memories, the family trips into that SD card and give it to her, and it'll be a surprise and will be sitting on her nightstand for years to come. And my number 1 and the best Mother's Day gift that you could give to your mom is making her breakfast. You would have seen in the movies that they try to make breakfast for Mother's Day and it's an utter disaster because it's the first time they're going into the kitchen and trying something out. So you don't have to try anything complex. There are very simple recipes out there that you could spend a very little time and melt your mom's heart. So my top 3 recipes for breakfast are deviled eggs. It's very simple. You boil the eggs, take the yolks out, put some mustard and spices into it and pipe it out onto the egg, and your mom will love it. And the next recipe is waffles and pancakes. All you need is the waffle and pancake mix and a simple waffle maker from Amazon. I will show you and put out the links out there and you can try it out and put some syrup on it, and waffles and pancakes are the best breakfast. And another breakfast, a healthy one, is an avocado toast. If your mom likes avocado, you can try out avocado toast as well.
So that's it, guys. Hope these ideas help somebody and make your Mother's Day special. So, wishing you all a very happy Mother's Day. For more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.